Let's learn and have fun.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to write the uppercase English alphabet from A to Z. Let's begin. A. This is uppercase A. B. This is uppercase B. C. This is uppercase C. D. This is uppercase D. E. This is uppercase E. F. This is uppercase F. G. This is uppercase G. H. This is uppercase H. I. This is uppercase I. J. This is uppercase J. K. This is uppercase K. L. This is uppercase L. M. This is uppercase M. N. This is uppercase N. O. This is uppercase O. P. This is uppercase P. Q. This is uppercase Q. R. This is uppercase R. S. This is uppercase S. T. This is uppercase T. U. This is uppercase U. V. This is uppercase V. W. This is uppercase W. X. This is uppercase X. Y. This is uppercase Y. Z. This is uppercase Z. Great job! You've just learned how to write all uppercase letters from A to Z. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next video.